Hey, what's up everybody? This is Johnface Moto coming at you today with another product review. Today's product is from Gerber. This is the Gerber Eab Light. EAB stands for Exchange a Blade. And it's just a simple way to carry around a utility blade, standard utility blade you can buy anywhere. Folds up nice and small, compact, solid. Has a nice wide, real tight clip on it, which can double as a money clip. You can tuck this in your coin pocket in your jeans. Fits perfect. You don't even know it's there. Carry this with as a secondary blade. But this actually turns out to be the primary blade that I use the most because it's so small, and if you screw it up, it's just a utility blade. You flip it over, you got a brand new blade. Great for opening boxes. I actually use it to do some drywalling. The other day, just left it open, stuck it right in my pouch, just kept it open in and out. Nice, small, compact, works awesome. To change the blade, you got a physical screw, so it's not a quick change. You just take a penny. Penny fits the actual screw head pretty good, so just go ahead and unscrew it. Try not to lose it because it is a small screw. And I think this penny's jacked up, but usually it doesn't take me this long, just because I'm on camera probably. But yeah, just unscrew it. You can actually use your thumbnail to unscrew it. And you don't even need a penny. And then you just pull the blade out. Either flip it to the other side if you haven't used it yet, or just grab yourself a fresh blade, put it in, place your little screw, and then you're back in business. This thing, super convenient. The only thing I would suggest to Gerber is to figure out a way to make it a quick change, and it'd be even better. But other than that, it just takes a couple seconds, and it's usually quicker than this. I think this penny's a little wider or something, but whatever. It's got a liner lock, and it's just super lightweight. Great product. I've been carrying this for about a month or so now, maybe a little longer. Use it every day. You can open it with one hand. And it flicks right open. It's solid. Not a bad purchase. Very convenient. And it was like $10 or something. But if you haven't already, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for further reviews on knives and different tools. I also am into motorcycle content, how-tos, different things along those lines. If you have any suggestions for any videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.